3. Okay, we're gonna dust the ceiling fans. Ceiling fans need to be dusted just like high and low dusting every time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the light fixtures underneath, get those clean, and then we're going to go for these blades. Now, as you can see, the blades move, and I like to use that to my advantage and kind of dust it as it moves around. The most important things are to get the sides of the blades. Occasionally you'll have to come and get the bottom parts. But yeah, that's pretty simple.